Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying capability and positioning. Confirm the remote supports fans. Many universal remotes list fan or RF modes. Once done, install fresh batteries and stand within 3 feet of the fan receiver so signals are strong. Make sure the fan's wall switch is on, and if the light is on a separate circuit, turn it off now. Press and hold the remote's program or device button until the LED blinks. That puts you into programming mode and prepares the remote to accept codes. Now you'll locate the correct code set. Use the remote's fan code list first. If none match, start the auto search or code scan feature. Point the remote at the fan and send each code set, giving 2 or 3 seconds between attempts so the receiver can react. Test basic functions as soon as the fan responds power on/off, speed up/down, and reverse if available because that confirms the correct mapping. If a code partially works, try nearby codes or manual key mapping to fix missing functions. Finish by saving the working code according to your remote's procedure so the pairing persists. Label or record the code number for future resets. If the fan never responds, switch to the remote's learning mode and pair directly with the fan's original remote or perform a receiver power cycle and rescan. Make sure batteries are fresh and stay within 1 to 3 feet while testing. If things still fail, reset both devices and repeat the search. That resolves most compatibility hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.